viewers, welcome to our channel Infomath. In this video we are going to see about the divisibility rule for number 11. So we also have known about the rule to find the divisibility for 11 previously, but by using our technique we can find our own formula by understanding the concept alone. The concept is remaining digit plus or minus open bracket large digit into some number and close bracket. So I don't know what is the number that has to be multiplied by the last digit, and that whether it has to be added or subtracted with the remaining digit. So this is the concept. Based on this, we are going to find our own formula to find the divisibility rule for number 11. So as usual, by 11 into 2, it becomes 22, and I have separated the last digit and with the remaining digit. So while you go for the workouts, the answer for this has to come as 22 or 11. So we can find two such formulas for 11, which is a brand new technique. You can follow any one to find the divisibility of number 11. So some number has to come over here, where if I added or subtracted with this 2, I have to get 22. And this number is the divisible by 2, and that the multiplying number has to come over here. So I know only 22 and 2. So with this, how am I to get this? So just I have made 22 plus 2 and 22 minus 2 and 11 plus 2 and 11 minus 2. So we got the answers as 24, 20, 13 and 0, 9. Okay, so one among the answers has to be reflected here, and the other one among the other answer has to be reflected over here. Now we need to check what is the answer to be reflected here and here. So the answers that needs to be divided by 2. So 24 is divisible by 2, 20 is divisible by 2, whereas 13 and 9 is not divisible by 2. So 24, it is 12 times divisible by 2, and 20, it is 10 times divisible by 2. So based on this, we are going to implement. So 12. So 12 times 2 is 24. So however I do the addition or subtraction with 24 and 2, never we are going to get the answer as 11. So the only answer that we are going to get is 22. So how we are going to get the So the difference between 24 and 2, the difference between 24 and 2 will give you 22. So similarly, we have one more formula. So 10 times 2 into 10 is 20. So if I do addition or subtraction with respect to these numbers, here also never I am going to get 11 as my answer. So 22 only I will be getting. So how I can get 22? When I add 20 and 2, I can get 22. So now we have framed this formula by this technique. We have framed this technique. By using this technique, we are going to fill our formula. So if you see, by using this first, remaining digit minus of the last digit into 12. So this is one of the formula, and with this remaining digit plus of the last digit into 10. So by using our technique, we had identified two formulas for divisibility rule for number 11. So let us try in an example both these formulas whether it is working out. So I have taken the number 105875. So by using the first formula, I have multiplied the last number by 12 and subtracted with the remaining digit. So 5 times 12 is 60. I have subtracted, I got 10527, and again multiplied the last number with the 12 and subtracted, and I got 968. And again multiplied by 12, I got 96, and if we subtract, it becomes 0. So our formula is either the answer should be 0 or any number that is divisible by 11. So we got the answer as 0. It means that 105875 is divisible by 11. So let us check with the next formula. Remaining digit plus of the last digit into 10. So I have used the same number 105875 and the last digit is being multiplied by 10 and it is being added with the remaining digit. So if I added with the remaining digit, 5 times 10 is 50. If I add with the remaining digits, I get 10637 and the last number 10 add with the remaining digit, I get 1133 and last digit with 10 I get 30. If I add, I am getting 143 and the last digit 10. If I add, it becomes 30. If I add, I am getting 44. So we know that 44 is divisible by 11. So the number 105875 is divisible by 11. So by this technique we have identified two formulas for our the divisibility rule for number 11. So if you like this video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. If you want to see my previous videos, I have given the link in the description so you can watch. Thanks for watching.